Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch from double tap the power button on the right side of the device on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and now when I'm just twice press the power button, that's just nothing happened. I just locked my device, and now I will activate the quick launch. So first we should go into the settings app and then tap to the system section. Now just go to the gestures and here tap to the power key behavior. As can you see here, we get the none, and now just for example to launch camera, to activate the power key, and can you see we just by double press to our power key we can enable the camera application. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.